If you are a business owner or you are a content creator, either you're a YouTuber, a TikToker, or whatever social media platform you use, if you're a business person, either a small scale business owner or a medium scale business owner or even a large scale business owner, or you're an hustler, you're looking for means to just make money, you need to watch this video because for every business now, you need a social media presence. And for every social media presence, you need a captivating um you need a captivating advertisement or promotional flyer, or you need a captivating content for your audience and all of that. And for you to have a captivating audience, I mean, if a captivating content, it means you need to have um you know let me start from saying that in our generation, or let me say in this dispensation, people are not bothered about long write-ups for your content. What they're after is catchy designs, catchy images, colorful, display of what you do. That is what we call the attention of the public to check your flyer or check your promotional, you know, item or design or whatever flyer or whatever you've done for more details. It is the beauty that will call their attention. Now, I said this because everybody has one thing they are selling, they want to be selling, or that they have been selling, and you need to either improve your market sale or target another, or I mean, target another audience. So if you fall in any of this category, I'm telling you, even if you sell more and more, no matter the kind of business you do, you need a social media presence and you need something catchy to let people read your content to know what you do. And for this reason, I'm calling everybody YouTubers, I'm calling business owners, maybe you're an entrepreneur or you do some work from home. You need to be able to do some basic designs for yourself and for your business. And that helps you to sell well in your market. Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to be showing you one step to doing all of these things. I'm going to be showing you how to create your graphic design, either a flyer for your business, maybe a YouTube thumbnail, or any kind of design you want to design. I'm going to be showing you on this channel. I've got a lot of calls, people reaching out to me. Okay, how do you do your thumbnails? How are you doing it? What are you doing? What's the secret of your thumbnails? I've been using this tool, I've been using this app, I've been using this software, but it's not really giving me the result of your kind of result, the graphics view of your own, and all of that. So I decided to make this video to, bring people together so that we can learn this together on this channel. I need you guys to understand that this thing I'm about to share on this video platform might be a source of money for somebody. Yes, you heard me well. It might be a source of money for somebody. I hope someday I'll be able to share my story. I started my design um, from this kind of platform. So guys, just watch out and see how you can um, edit your photos, or maybe remove the background of your photos. This particular video is just for you to learn how to remove the background of your photos or your pictures to suit any design you're going to make. Now, this is for people that already know about how to do one or two things. It might not be perfect, it might not be a perfect or top notch, but of course, you are able to do something by yourself. But maybe you just need to be able to remove, you know, pictures from the background and all of that. So please watch this video and see the step-by-step guide to how to remove pictures from your photos. Let's see the magic together. Please, for those that are coming for the very first time, sorry, you guys are the best. Please don't forget to subscribe. Leave a subscription. Click the subscription icon before you leave this YouTube channel. Thank you guys, and watch this video to the end. So guys, there are several ways to remove background from your picture. Several ways, but today I'm just going to be showing you one of those ways, and maybe the simplest of its kind, possibly the simplest. So all you have to do is just go to Google and type remove bg. You can press remove bg or remove.bg, either ways. Then you enter. The one you get here, you can go this way. You can see the right top corner where I click the menu option. Let me do that again. You can see that place where you have two dash. You can see those two selection column. So you can come in here if to sign up, since you don't have an account yet. So here is it. So to create an account, just do email address. Let me use talk to at gmail.com. Then character, let's use okay, you can see, put your password, then you sign up. If you want them to send you updates about the product, maybe subsequently, then you can sign up. Even if you tick that, you can unsubscribe at any time. So sign up. Now you can see sign up. It said we sent an email to your email address. Go to email to confirm. So here's my email. You can see it's already here. Then you can see activate account. Now what's the essence of me signing up? I'm going to show you in a minute. Now one of the reasons I signed up is because I can directly use the platform without signing up, but I might not have access to that picture again. So now this is another. So after signing up, you can see sign in successful. So I've signed in now. Just click here, upload image. Then look for your image, the image you want to change the background. I think I have this here already. Open. You can see, and this is where it's going to do the magic by itself. Did you see that? How sweet. And that is yours. So all you have to do here is to what? You have to download. You can see I have my picture. Let me show you like that. You can see the background removed. So if you put this on any platform where you want to use it for any design, it's gonna be without background. No background. So let me go back to this. I've downloaded it already, and that's all. So if you need to do any other thing, maybe you want to compare and contrast the difference or whatever, this is perfect work. So if you want to erase some portions, you can use this erase option here to erase some portion. But this is actually okay for me because in this picture I'm putting on a winter jacket, so that's the hoodie at the back. So this is a perfect cleaning of a picture. So just download your picture and you can use your picture for anything you want to use it for. I hope this is simple and clear. Now the reason we subscribed, or we sign up rather, is because subsequently we can always come back to the account and see those pictures we have, removed their background. But on the better side, or let me say, if you don't want to subscribe, you can see buy credit or subscribe. So if you subscribe, for example, let's give it a trial. If you subscribe, how much are you going to be subscribing? No, don't bother to convert this one. Don't worry, this is pounds. It's because of my location, that's why it's bringing this. If you're in Nigeria, it's going to bring naira for you. So if you're okay with the Naira, for example, if you're somebody that makes use of this kind of, if you like to use remove the background of your video or of your picture at any point in time, you can always subscribe, so that it means you have to use it every day. So because, for example, if you're a business person and you need to remove background of pictures every time, it's not wrong for you to subscribe, because it's adding value to your business if you don't know any other method. So for people who do YouTube videos, you are a business owner, you can always use this platform if you want to design stuff for your business or for yourself. You can subscribe, but if not, you can just go directly to Google and just put remove BG without creating any account. Just go, then upload image directly, input your image. As you can see, just input your image and it will do the magic that you can download. This is without signing up, it will still work for you. Do you understand now? So it's as simple as that. If you want to add background, you can click here and add background at your wish. This is absolutely free. Can you see that? You can add background as your wish. You can decide to use this as the background. You can see, so this automatically look as if I've gone to maybe an island, or so you can manipulate your picture with the template on this you can see beautiful pictures, beautiful outlook, beautiful feedback. So if you are done with that, you can put done. That is okay by you download. Nobody knows, in fact nobody knows that the picture would be this beautiful. Even me, I know it's going to be this beautiful. So guys, keep on editing, removing images for your YouTube thumbnails. Now I need to mention that I'm going to teach you subsequently how to create YouTube thumbnails. So if you're a YouTuber watching this video, or you're a content creator watching this video, please, I would like you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because I'm going to drop content that would help your YouTube channel or your social media, whatever, how to design several things that will help your social media platform. So I would like you guys to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and we'll see you again in the next video. Don't forget to save this video so you can watch it later if you need to, and don't forget to like and comment. Give your feedback. Let's hear this together. See you. Guys, I believe you can see the magic in what we just did. So it means in about 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes thereabout, you're able to remove background of your picture and use it for another design. Don't forget that I said that on this platform I'm just going to be teaching how to create simple designs for your business. Maybe for yourself, for your business, you want to wish somebody, you want to give a birthday shout out to somebody. You can design a birthday design for them, or for any event. You have somebody who's celebrating birthday, doing anniversary, that wedding anniversary, or whatever anniversary you are into. Whatever you want to design, I'm going to show you how to do it in a very simple manner. Trust me, I'm going to try as much as possible to break it down to layman's understanding, so that you can be able to do this by yourself. Now, the sweet part of this story, all of these things I'm going to show you is what you're going to be doing on your phone. Yeah, on your smartphone. That smartphone you use in making your calls, you use in taking pictures, WhatsApp, and all of that. You use the same video to do all of this design. So imagine if you take this design serious, it means you can make some money for yourself. I don't know how much you will be charging, but you can make some money for yourself. I've done some designs and nobody knows how I got to do them. They just see beautiful designs and they're okay with them, and I get my payment and I go. So guys, I'm hoping that through this channel, we'll be able to raise entrepreneurs that can make money for themselves through graphics design, through as many other means as possible. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you get value for your subscription. And I know that subsequently we'll be learning new things. Trust me, we'll be learning new things. I'm looking for graphic designers from this place. I'm looking for entrepreneurs that can make their own flyer. I'm waiting for those that are going to see mails, see comments on my YouTube channel like, I have been able to make design for my business. It's going to be as simple as possible. Trust me. Don't worry. We're going to do this all together. So stay tuned, guys. See you again in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.